Hello, everybody. Let's check on my print today. What the? I got a glob monster. What a disaster. Just kidding. It's an easy fix. First, warm up your printer. And now we wait. Now that the nozzle is warmed up, it's softened the filament. So, we're going to take our plastic pooper scoopers, pinch the glob monster, and then pull it off. Yeah. Now we are going to check our nozzle sock. But be careful, it is very hot. Let's get it off. Ooh, look at that. That's what I was talking about. A lot of that glob monster's still in there. It's very hot, so we need to let this cool off, and then you can take all the filament off. Oh, this is so satisfying. Ugh, stupid glob monster. Now, let your printer cool off, and then safely put your nozzle sock back on. You're probably wondering why this happens.
It can happen if you forget your magnet or put your magnet upside down. Also,
We found this happens when a file is not properly communicating with the printer. Take, for example, this sea turtle. We hit print, and everything seems like it's okay. Until the printer starts and we hear this. The app will look like everything's going okay, but the printer head is not moving and the printer bed is not lowering. So when this happens, there's nowhere for that printer food to go but up and inside the printer head, sometimes causing what looks like a gunk explosion. If you catch this in action, cancel your print. When it's still warm, it's going to be easy to get that gunk. But what happens is if we walk away and we don't know this is going on, it all fills up that nozzle, it stops, it cools, and we have that hard piece that we don't know what to do with, which is why you're going to warm up and remove just like Victor showed you.